Good morning. This video doesn't do very good justice about how much snow is falling right now. And by the way, it's April 16th, not February 16th. Even March 16th for that fact. So, I just headed to daycare this morning. Haven't made a video in a while. Been busy, but haven't had anywhere video worthy. Got a couple new purchases we'll go over. A couple other things in the works. It'd be kind of exciting if we can get them all wrapped up. But don't have it all wrapped up yet. So just wanted to make this looking about the snow. If it was cold, we would have one heck of a mess. Cabin's getting pretty well slowed up. I was going through that last night. Just the tail enders is all that's left. So a couple weeks, hopefully, at least we got moisture. Get some heat would be good. A couple weeks we will be getting everything branded and hauled out in the grass. So that'll be nice to have that chore done. So we've got a little alfalfa to plant for a neighbor, replant. Thought about doing it yesterday. Glad I didn't. Also getting ready. Probably the middle to the end of next week, we'll start on the soybean drilling. So we're planting. But so there you go, green grass and a blizzard. So nope, that's all I really had. Hopefully next couple days we'll get to working on one of our new purchases, and I can take you with me and show you what I got to do, or what I know I have to do. We might find some more stuff to do to it. So we were getting ready for planting. I know a few neighbors I've seen planted a little bit of corn here and there, but most everybody is waiting to see what this is going to bring. Man, now this camera doesn't do it justice how much snow is coming down. So, but she's getting pretty white. It's starting to accumulate on the highway. So, and it's warm. I mean, the ground's 50 degrees or close to it. So, it's just barely 32 degrees outside. So, but yep. So, you got a few guys I know have planted some, but I haven't. Not that I'm opposed to planting early. I just think too cold, and we get this snow and it melts in. It's going to make that ground temperature drop for a couple days pretty hard. So didn't want to make it, stressed from the get-go. So but that's it. Just a short little drop in. Say how high. Show you some snow. And say we got some things coming up, and we'll see you later.